Don't worry. You're sound asleep and can't feel a thing. Taking into account that you are at a great disadvantage here, I am going to give you a hint as to where I've hidden the key, so listen carefully. The hint is this. It's right before your eyes. How much blood will you shed to stay alive, Michael? Live or die? Pick your choice.
What's your name? I'm gonna kill you half the now.
Mr. Cutthroat Chains.
What are you doing?
What's Mr. Cutthroat?
Oh my God!